can start, Basila.
So my name is Basila, and I have done my master's in clinical psychology. I just finished it, and right now I'm just trying to explore more and learning more things before I start my own practice. And this is my third course with ICHARS, and ICHARS never fails to surprise me. um, I really love how the whole course was structured. The most beautiful part of this course was that it was very well structured, and also Misbah ma'am, who was our facilitator, she was able to explain everything in detail, and we were able to understand everything properly. Um, so yeah, I'm thankful for the to Misbah ma'am also, and yeah, and the thing that I loved the most about the course was the soft C model. I think it is a very interesting and very helpful model which we can use for our clients. And also when we were using it for ourselves in the course, it was very beneficial for us also. So that is the major takeaway from level 1. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Basila. Rajkaran.
Hello, my name is Rajkaran Parismas. I'm basically an engineer by profession, and I'm working in IT. So at this point in time, I'm working as a manager, where I'm doing both technical and handling the team as well, technical work as well as handling the team. So the reason I joined ICHARS course because I'm very passionate about bringing out the best in human potential, and most important thing is I'll be able to use this. First of all, I'll try the soft skill on myself, and then I will use it to handle my team and to help them in their issues so that they can become more productive in coming days. And I will progress in this field. Then I will follow the track of a coach, a professional coach with much experience, and then I will take it forward from there. The key takeaway for me, this again I said, is the soft skill. And I also love how Misbah ma'am, our facilitator, helped us throughout this course, the way she conducted it, the structure of it. And in fact, see, I did it for the second time, but what I found is that this second time when I did it, it was more meaningful to me because I found answers to a lot of questions I had earlier, and I'm just wondering why didn't I do it before? I should have done it much before. And I just wish, and I would like to anchor it to myself to continue to follow the practices that I've learned in the 6 days, and do good for myself as well as for my team and the people I'll coach to. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajkaran. All the best. Who is going next?
I will go.
Suhas, huh? 1 second. Suhas. Okay. Yes, Suhas. You can go ahead.
My name is Suhas. I am a working professional as a senior purchase manager in one of the engineering college. I've been around 24, 25 years. I've been in sales and marketing, and we have met a lot of people. And I always had one inquisitiveness about understanding the mind. And one of the things about understanding mind is knowing about psychology, and hypnosis is another area where which lot of inquisition is there from decades. The same was with me from childhood rather. So as it, I thought that it is a good time, and in the era where the mental health is one big issue, I think having this knowledge how to work upon that is to be known to most of the people, and we should be in a position to help. And at this age, I thought that one way to giving it back to the society is by working on people who require this. So I joined this course, ICHARS course, level 1. I will be doing the coaching. The future aspect is that learn more about coaching, be perfect in coaching, and help as many people as possible on developing their mental health and coaching and all. I'm thankful for the trainer, Misbah ma'am. She's been quite helpful, quite straightforward. So it's good at this juncture where we have spent so many years of professional life. We normally don't listen to others, but then with Misbah ma'am, we could listen because whatever she was telling was quite interestingly being told, which is effectively comes into mind. And the one thing which I liked about this, actually, I like the whole course. I mean, there is nothing which you can leave or you can say that I like it the most. But as a thing comes in, the whole process is like soft C. Once you know soft C, everything which has been covered gets covered. So I would go for a soft C, which is very good with it and quite helpful, quite easy. Means if you understand the concept. So thank you, ICHARS, for the opportunity to be given to enrich ourselves.
Thank you so much, Suhas. Who is going next? All the best.
Hi, I'm Astana Helani. I've done my bachelor's in psychology from Jai Hind College, Mumbai. I loved how everything was curated, the entire course, and how it has the right amount of theory and practical both, and how well it was timed. The theory and the pre-modules, we could do it on our own time. And even though it was the process of the softy was so lengthy, it was taught to us in such a easy and such an interesting way by Ms. Ma'am that even though it's so lengthy, I know that there's no way that we can mess it up. And I absolutely loved how everything came together in the last one session. Today, I was really fascinated by how everything came together. And my takeaway would be that I was able to experience a soft C on myself, and I can't wait to see how it works wonders with me as well as my clients. So thank you.
Thank you, Asta. All the best. Who's going next? Go ahead.
So my name is Jagriti Tandon, and I'm a psychologist practicing from last 6 years. And my takeaway from this whole course would be many takeaways are there. So I would start from the breakdown cycle, deep induction techniques, anchoring, power of questions, soft C, and one major thing is when we try to understand the other person that ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है वो ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है, that is the map is not equal to territory. That is the major thing. And my overall experience is that it's very well structured, and it's my second course with ICHARS, but I'm connected with ICHARS during my lockdown period. And from the lockdown period, if I stuck anywhere, I have my name in my mind that yes, Nitin sir is there, and now I have another name, that is Vishwava. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Jagriti. All the best.
Hi, my name is Sarath Babu. I'm a doctor practicing since 10 years. Actually, I want to help my clients, so I searched for offline courses of hypnotherapy, clinical hypnotherapy for last 1-2 years, but I couldn't get. Then after searching a lot of time, I came across this course. First, I didn't have much confidence on online. Then after attending here, thank you, Ms. Mama. Now I got much confidence, and so really I like the course very much. So I look forward to attend all the courses so that I can help some of the patients. I like the course. Now I got confidence. Yes, it's going to help me much. And thank you.
Thank you so much. But any key takeaways for you, Dr. Babu?
Take away the whole soft C, everything, anchoring techniques. I thought for me, in level 1 itself, we learned something much much techniques like soft C is great. All right. No, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
So, hello, my name is Ishrita Patil, and I have done BPharm plus MBA from NMIMS, and currently I'm working as a team lead in a regulatory services providing company. And I joined ICHARS for this level 1 course for CHC because I was very interested in learning the hypnosis, and I was very skeptical about how it will like how the course will happen in online first of all, and just in 6 days how will I get to learn all the information that is required for the for to become an NLP practitioner. But since the course has ended today, I am very much confident that yes, the course has helped me, and with the proper amount of practice, I think I will be good to go. And thank you, Ms. Ba ma'am, for helping us with the understanding of the soft say. It has really helped us, and yeah, I'm looking forward. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
My name is Jasmine, and I'm a psychologist by profession. I've done my master's from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Then I did a PG diploma in professional counseling and psychotherapy, that too from Punjab University. But they did not teach us much. It was just, there were no classes. We attended no classes. We have a diploma, but वो ऐसे ही चल रहा है. So it's been 5 years in the field. So I was looking for a course, like a course which would give me theoretical as well as practical knowledge. So there's a senior of mine who's an ex-student of IHRs. She has done this course till level 4. तब I guess level
फाइव था
5 भी होता था. हाँ,
पहले
तो
5 होता
उन्होंने
था
उन्होंने तब किया हुआ है. उन्होंने बॉम्बे आके किया हुआ है. तो I spoke to her, and actually I used to observe her when she used to do sessions. She used to do things so effortlessly. बस ऐसे ही हो रहा है. बस चल रहा है. एंड अगला जिनके सेशंस कर रहे हैं, दे आर सो हैप्पी एंड दे आर एबल टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड देमसेल्व्स बाय देयर ओन. सो आई यूज्ड टू सिट देयर एंड आई यूज्ड टू वंडर, ये आप कैसे करते हो, हाउ डू यू डू दिस, लाइक हाउ डू यू ब्रेक द आइस, व्हाट डू यू डू. So then she suggested me that she has done this course from IHRs. So that is how basically my journey began. I spoke to Nitin sir, and actually he remembered that student of
हु इज द स्टूडेंट
Charanjit.
ओह
Charanjit ka, yeah. Actually, she's my masi. So yeah. So yes. So I spoke to him. तो उन्होंने he explained it so well, and he gave me a kind of confidence that तुम कर लो, तुम टेंशन मत लो, छोटे छोटे. मेरे दिमाग, I had this thing in mind कि I'll go for a shorter version first, but he told me that if you are into this field, then you just go for all the levels, and it will be quite helpful. But yeah, now when I have observed it myself, the course was very well structured, and सबसे ज़्यादा we had an exposure to it. Like what we were taught, we were able to practice it, and it was beautifully designed. पूरा टाइम जो दिया जाता था, उस टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर ही सब कुछ हो रहा है कि it was nice. And takeaways, this whole level 1 is a takeaway for me, like soft C, induction techniques, deepening techniques, breakdown cycle, everything. And plus Misbah ma'am, she was very supportive. First day, so matlab, you won't be allowed to attend the other class. Okay. So yeah, it kind of, but theek hai, she was assertive, and it gives you a push to, work and to work hard. And yeah, I really enjoyed it, and looking forward to do all the other levels as well. Thank you
ऑलराइट
so much.